Okay, so I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of one of the newest projects that we're working on. Something we've been planning for a little while, and we were able to use mostly just products or supplies that we had laying around, or maybe a couple things that we traded for, which is always the best way to do it. Currently, we're standing under a canopy. If you can see this, we had to move it in because it is really sunny and hot. We started this project a few days ago by putting in forms and setting a concrete slab on which to build our smoker. And then yesterday we began taking these bricks and mortaring them in. Now, we had already measured and designed and everything, and we decided to go ahead and get them mortared in. 2 stacks of these bricks. This side is the actual smoker part, and then the other side, go across there, and that is where our firebox is going to be. And I'm going to let my husband tell you about that.
Hey everybody, okay, so this is our firebox to our smoker. Have Amy come over here and show y'all. This was an old rusty smoker door from a kit, and we did a little grinding on and painted it. And of course we built this out of the bricks just like the Smokehouse, and I welded together a frame to hold the door. Inside here there's a layer of fire bricks, which one will help keep some of the heat off of the decorative bricks, and it also adds to the thermal mass from the fire. To your fire kind of gets low, it keeps putting heat into your smoker until you get a chance to restoke your fire. So that's basically it. And over here we have a sheet of 1/4-inch steel that will go across the top, and then we have some, Amy will show you right over there, up more flat rocks similar to our patio. And after we put the steel on here, I'm going to weld it to the front bracket, and we're going to put those flat stones all over the top and grout them in and everything. It'll be real pretty.